prior to using this equipment, we crashed constantly for the entire event, and people were very angry, and they also could not pay for things, and that was very bad for the event.
91% of businesses have network downtime at least once per quarter, and around 45% of businesses don't have a dedicated IT team.
For us to communicate to our customers, to our employees, it's all via the internet. So if that goes down, we don't have access to anything.
As an elite Verizon partner, we at Connected Solutions Group are uniquely positioned to improve business connectivity.
So once we know where the RF signals, where they're best available, then it's like a Rubik's Cube, and we have to figure out what are all the pathways existing, would we need anything new, surveying the types of ceilings inside, do we have to run through conduits, taking all that information and putting it into a report that then our Signal Hawk engineer can review with the Bolt Squad technician and come up with the best solution. We want to be mindful of the client's experience. We want that downtime to be minimum, if any. Engineering the solution best for that location because of all these things that we can identify during that site survey. That's what makes us different.
Every Bolt Squad technician that we send on site, we have a dedicated engineer or a Signal Hawk behind the scene that's guiding that technician. Once the site survey is done, we've reviewed the solution with the customer, we got the sign off from that customer. From that point, get with our Bolt Squad team, get a technician scheduled for that site visit, and from there, complete the installation. We also have a dedicated engineer that guides the Bolt Squad technician on site for the installs. So in that way, be quality control for how the work is being done. And from there, we send our post-installation email that consists of an install report and a small summary of what was done on site. So in that way, we will be signing off from our end on that project. We're trying to have all of that up front before the installation date. So in that way, we're quoting and building the proper solution. As well, we're trying to avoid having revisits or going back and forth with the customer if anything were missed.
Having CSG along the way from changing us from one carrier over to Verizon was extremely simple. We didn't skip a beat. It's basically a breath of fresh air.
It made a world of difference. We were connected the whole time. People were charging like crazy. It was super easy, major difference, like night and day. And so we're very happy with that.
When you choose CSG, you're not just choosing a telecom solution. You're choosing a partner dedicated to ensuring your success at every step. Give us a call today and learn how our field services can improve your business.